What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai Tucson remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2024 to 2026 Hyundai Tucson, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2450. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key fob and we look off to the one side, we see there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, put it in that notch, make sure you have it pushed in as far as you can. Then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock, like that. Once we have it started, we can go ahead and pull it the rest of the way apart like that. Then we see our battery right here. For this part, I'm going to use my screwdriver just to help push this battery out of that holder, like that. Get our old battery out, then we'll go ahead and grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new replacement battery with the plus side up, positive side up. Slide it into that holder and make sure it's all the way in there. Then if your circuit board is moved around at all, make sure it's sitting down in that clear rubber piece like that. Then we can go ahead and snap the two halves back together. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.